Hey flippers, it's Dave with FlipperForce House Flipping Software, and I wanted to share with you a document that I created called the Rehab Estimate Checklist, which you can print off and you can use to help you walk through and inspect properties to create an estimate on the fly. So this estimate checklist lists out exterior repairs and interior repairs, as well as your MEP repairs for your mechanical, electrical, and plumbing that you can use to help you just jot down some notes and quantities of the repairs on your property. And it even includes some cost ranges that you can use to quickly figure an estimate right on site. So as you can see, I've printed off the estimate rehab checklist and I've written down a few notes. So when you walk through a property, you can just write down your quantities here. You can use your price ranges that you have here to estimate some rough budget ranges for each repair on the property, and then make some notes. So we've got exteriors, we've got interiors here, and you can see I've kind of filled it out. So we've got about $14,000 for exterior repairs for a new roof, exterior painting, some landscaping, stuff like that. And then on the interiors, if you can see that there, we've written down some quantities and notes of all the different repairs that we want to do on the interior. We've got some demolition, 48 hours of repairs for demolition, tearing out the property. We've got a kitchen remodel. We've just budgeted $10,000 for the kitchen. And then we've got 2 bathrooms that we want to remodel at about $4,500 each. And then we're also going to be doing interior doors in the property, some trim, interior painting, carpeting, and hardwood flooring. So you can see we've got about $29,000 budgeted for the interior repairs on the property. And then if you flip this document over, you can see that we've got the MEP section up here at the top. So we're just going to be doing a hot water heater. We do have a new furnace that we've got budgeted in there. And then we are going to be installing a new electrical panel and the new light fixtures and ceiling fans in the property. And then finally, at the bottom, you can see we've got a little sketch area where if you want to, you can go through and you can sketch out some different areas, the floor plan of the property, or maybe sketch out the kitchen or bathroom layout. So that's what this blank area at the bottom's for. So if you want this document, you can just download it from the link below. I went out and got this thing printed on an 11 by 17 sheet of paper and then got it laminated at OfficeMax for a few dollars, just so that I could reuse this document as many times as possible without having to reprint it every time. So again, if you want this rehab estimate checklist, follow the link and download it and use it on your projects. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks. Bye.